Athchursail's Aran main objective is to provide a waste management and recycling service to the community of the three Aran Islands. Well, in the late 1996, there was a committee set up to deal with the waste management on the island. Up until that stage, it was just a landfill site, just a hole in the ground basically, and everything was put into it. So that wasn't feasible, and things were changing, and people demanded a better service and more environmentally friendly. So the committee got together, found a site, purchased a site, did a bit of trips to Europe just to see what way the recycling. At that time, recycling was unknown in Ireland at the stage. So they succeeded in buying a site and getting funding, and they built the facility here. And in 2001, the landfill site was closed on the day Athchursail Aran started its operations. Well, it was initially established in 1999, and between the work and everything and insurance issues at the beginning, it opened in 2001. At present, there are 8 people employed, a manager and 7 FTEs, general labourers. Over the years, they would have been young families that have kept people. These employees had have stayed on the island, otherwise they might have had to move away. So it's creating employment and keeping things going on the islands. We have a collection of each waste stream each day of the week on the island, and there is no difference in the mainland. We're probably better than the mainland in all our services out here. Our latest incentive with glass, you see, our key objective, I suppose, here is to keep materials we use or recover on the island and reuse again, not to have to, you see, if we have to send them out, it's a freight cost. So one of our latest initiatives is glass, and we do shred the glass, crush the glass. Or now we're making concrete Lego blocks. They be Kelly blocks used for coastal erosion, etc. Our main target groups would be the islanders, of course, and they have worked with us over the years with this project. And I suppose the tourists, the influx of tourism every year, the tourists coming into the island, we have to have a service for them. Athchursail Aran won't manage. We haven't the scope to generate a profitable company, so it's all funding. We have different funding bodies working with us, and we do generate a certain amount of income through our own invoicing, but it's all generally about 70% funding and 30% generate our own income. Talk to the people, more education, keep them notified about the different aspects of recycling, waste management. The reason for Athchursail Aran's success over the years is the local community coming on board with us, working with us in the way we deal with the waste. And of course, our employees over the years that have stayed on the island work with us. We have employees here for nearly 20 years. And then to give a service that's cost effective to them, and to recover and reuse as much material as we can without having to send anything to the mainland.